Hey, Joe Phillips here with Central Park Scoop and Focus Real Estate. Here today with Tyler from the Weather Changers. David from the Weather Changers is playing cameraman behind the camera for us. And we are here today just to show you what Weather Changers does when they come out and clean your furnace. As real estate brokers and property managers, we hire a lot of companies to clean furnaces for us and for our clients. And we found that it's like a very vague definition of what a furnace cleaning entails. So we really trust Weather Changers. They're doing a great job for us in the neighborhood. So we wanted to share them as a resource for you if you need to get your furnace cleaned. We'll give you some details in a little while on a discount that we offer. But instead of just recommending that you use them, we also wanted to introduce you to Tyler. And Tyler's going to show us on my furnace what exactly they do when they come to your home and clean your furnace.
All right, so the first thing we'll do here is pretty much just with a wet cloth, just wipe everything down top to bottom. It's a little dusty in here. These can get pretty dirty, so we give that a good clean. While we're doing that, we're also checking and cleaning individual parts. So flame sensors, pressure switch ports, tubing, things like that, we're double checking. Down here, we're checking all of these electrical connections. We're checking if these capacitors are good, and we're also making sure that that blower is clean. After that, we're checking filter and buttoning up anything else that might need to be done. And then we're kicking on and testing it. A few things we're checking when we're testing: temperatures, airflow, and then we're doing what's called combustion analysis using this. So essentially, we're going to drill a hole in your exhaust, stick this probe in there, and that'll tell us how efficiently your furnace is burning. And at that point, we can make adjustments and make sure everything's working great. Final result is a furnace that's fully cleaned and tuned up and ready for whatever winter throws at it.
So that's great. That really helps us, Tyler. And one thing I want to say just about you guys is that I feel like you come in, you do all this analysis, and your model is not to upsell people on things they don't need or suggest things that they don't need. And I've heard that from a lot of our clients, and that's experience we've had. So highly recommend the Weather Changers. Get your furnace cleaned. It's going to make it last longer. Furnaces have gotten really expensive, so take care of things, and it's going to last a lot longer for you. So Tyler, David, thanks for your time. Really
Thanks so
appreciate it.
much.